Ocean Wind textile spray from Millefiori Milano. Millefiori Milano produces all products, scented products for home and for body in Italy. Such a scented textile spray, Ocean Wind, is very fresh, is the freshest from textile sprays from Millefiori Milano, has 75 milliliter and it's in a plastic bottle. You can travel with it, you can bring a home atmosphere everywhere you go, you can neutralize bad smells at home when you cook, when you have some pets, when you smoke, and what is good, you can spray it on textiles at home, in a garderobe, wardrobe, or in the room.